Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the phonics sound of letter X. Xmas, xylophone, X-ray, box, six, fox, axe. And from these words, it's very clear that the sound of letter X is X, as in KS. X. When we write K and S together, X, X, that is the sound of letter X. Now let's learn the phonic sound of letter Y. Yellow, yo-yo, yogurt, yawn, yarn, york, yam, yacht. If you were pronouncing this Y-A-C-H-T as yachet, please note the pronunciation is yacht. So the phonic sound of letter Y is Y. Now let's see what are the other sounds of Y. If it is a one syllable word, Y says I, as in cry, spy, try, fry. In a two syllable word, Y says E, as in happy, sorry. We can hear that E, happy, sorry, because it is two syllable. Happy, sorry, two syllables. So as of now we have understood that Y has got Y sound and it varies in one syllable and two syllable words. And the next interesting sounds made by letter Y are Y as in boy, toy, or the A sound as in pray, day, may, pay, and hey. Okay, so letter Y is quite interesting. It makes Y sound or else I sound, else E sound, sometimes EI, A sound. I hope letter Y is clear to all of you. Now let's move to letter Z. Z-E-D-Z or Z, Z-E-E. This is a big confusion amongst us. That is whether to be pronounced as Z or Z. Both are correct. Z as in American English and Z British English, and we Indians also pronounce it as Z. Let's read these words. Zero, zinnia, zigzag, zucchini, zipper, is silent, zipper, and zebra, zoo, zeppelin. There is something interesting about this ZEBRA, that is zebra in British English, and Americans and we Indians we pronounce it as zebra. Now what is this zeppelin? Zeppelin is nothing else but a type of rigid airship named after the German inventor. So that's all for today. See you next day with another topic. Thank you and bye bye.